Alright, so I have problem with headphones and Bluetooth, anything, mainly devices. So I got myself these thanks to my brother who paid a generous amount of $10 for this one and this one. These are called the 2Boom. They're Bluetooth. It says Google Assistant and Siri enabled. Yeah, sure. Charging case, Vibrant Air True Wireless Earphones. Let's see. It says I got a touch controls, on off easy pair, long lasting battery, carrying case charger, Mi Gear, okay, 2boomusa.com. I got it with genuine ease. I just used a fork, so I'm gonna open these now. There's a third one. I accidentally ripped it. Alright, so let's see what's in here aside from what we already saw. Because obviously they need a charger. And okay, yeah, they have a charger. And it's just an old charger. Look at this. I think this is USB-A or micro USB. I can't remember what there are. They're not in the actual like case. They're like right here. Look at this. So these actually look pretty good. Alright, so I actually got them in. As you can see, they're charging. This one is not charging. This one's not red. This one is, I'm going to have to give it a yoink. Okay, now they're both charging. Anyways, so you can see this like right here. They look like red eyes. Also, the fact that this looks like Ghostface. Alright, now that I got my problem solved, I don't know what I did. I think I turned them off somehow. I'm going to turn them back on. I'm going to test them. Phone. So you can see my phone's right here. Here are the earbuds. I'm going to take them out. Let's see. See how they work. 2Boom right there. Right down there right here. As you can see right here. Alright, so it says pairing. Also, this feels like really cheap plastic, which makes sense because they were like $5. Like, it feels like those toy phones you would be able to sell, that you'd buy at a swap meet. Let's see. Can communicate with 2Boom. Alright, so for some reason it's not letting me. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna have to cut back. Alright, so it's been a while. Time for me to do this. Let's try it again. It says connected, so I'm gonna check that right now with this video. Since I just finished recording another one. So pair new device. There we go. Pair. Now I've paired them. Connected. Okay. They're pretty good. Let's see. Can you hear them? You guys hear my video? Let's see. So they're pretty good. Let's see. One tap. I pause it. It beeped. Oh, it called my mom. So 2 taps and it called my mom. Okay, that was the right one. Let's see the left one. Let's see. Tap 1. Nothing. Oh. Okay. Call 2. It still calls her. It still calls her. Oh my god. She's gonna get mad at me now. Alright. So these are pretty good earbuds. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm actually gonna be using both of these actually for each phone now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Help me reach 30 subscribers.